how to use a pyrifier. Okay, comes in a packing like this. There's a box. There are two units in this. This is a simple base of a pyramid. Lots of pyramids over here you can see. Lots of pyramids and lots of pyramids inside also. Plus this has a shape of a pyramid. Now there is another unit. This fits on this like this exactly, and then we have got a ceramic cylinder which we put over here. Okay, and then we have got this vessel. Alright, this vessel you make it stand over here like this. Now there are chips over here, different shapes. All these different shapes represent, this is a triangle, this is a circular one, this is a heart-shaped one like this. Then we have got an octagonal one over here. This is octagonal. Then we have got a square one, and we have got a hexagonal one. We have got this 8-pointed star sort of a thing, and then we have got this D. Okay, D shaped. So these are different shapes in which our Havan kunds would be designed earlier to get whatever results are needed. Depending on these different shapes, you will get different results. All that is mentioned on the packing of the box over here. All the uses, which to use, how to use is mentioned on the box. Now, usually when I do a pyrifier, I use the square one because I am comfortable. This is for prosperity of the one who does and prosperity for somebody else also, for the customer or whatever. You keep this like this. Now, a pyrifier done properly is including Panchakarma. We have something called as Panchakarma. The first is Dev Karma. In Dev Karma, you have to remember all the three lords, that is Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu. And you have to remember your three goddesses, that is along with Shiva Kali, along with Brahma Saraswati and along with Vishnu Mahalakshmi. Okay, you have to remember them and pay your gratitude or homage to them in whichever way you want to do it. Then you come to Guru Karma. Guru Karma, anybody who has affected your life in a positive way, or if you have a spiritual mentor, remember him and pay your salutations to him. Then your parents and grandparents. You have parents, that means you have a mother and a father. And mother has father and mother, and father has father and mother. So all of these you have to remember and pay your gratitude to them. And remember that their bloodline or their DNA is flowing in you. You are here because of them. So you have to be grateful to that and express your gratitude. After that, you do your Nitya Karma. Nitya Karma is all those people who work for you or who work under you or because of whom your life progresses on a day-to-day basis. You have to remember them and pass on your blessings to them. And also family karma, Kutumba karma. Kutumba karma is all those people who are near and dear to you. This includes brothers, sisters, friends, near relatives, their children, everyone. This list can extend up to about 50-60 people in your life. All of them you have to remember. From the elders you take blessings mentally, and to the youngsters you send out blessings mentally again. All this, after having done all this, what you do is you take a small tablet of camphor, okay, and you place it over here. After you place this, you place this camphor tablet. Hold this in your hand. Put your feet straight on the ground without crossing. Hold this in your palms like this and send out to the universe your wish. Whatever your wish is, hold this like this for about a minute in your palms and then keep this on the stand. With that wish in your mind, do the pyrifier. This whole exercise might take you about 15 minutes, remembering all the different gods, all the different goddesses, and then remembering your guru and remembering your parents and your grandparents, both sets of your grandparents. then remembering your family members and friends, and then remembering all those people who work with you or work for you, and then passing on blessings and getting blessings and all that. It might take 20 minutes. After that, about a minute and a half for this, and then you light up the fire and sit silently with that thought of your wish in your mind. Just sit like this. Ideally, take a small bit of camphor or a small tablet of camphor, because it should burn away in about a minute. So we'll wait for this to be over. This pyrophore, you can do this pyrophore every day on a daily basis before leaving for office. You could do this if you are a businessman and you have your own office. You could do this every day in the morning before you begin your day. You could do this pyrophore for the good business on that very day. You could do this pyrophore for problems which are, seem impossible for you to solve, and you could just put your wish that this problem is solved and do it. You can do it more than one time in a day. One pyrophore in the house and the entire family can use it. One family in the office, one pyrophore in the office, and you could use it. Your business partner could use it. One pyrophore is a necessary for any premises. I hope you use this and progress in life.